Welcome to the demo of Securesense. This tool is your go-to solution for finding and managing sensitive PII data across your entire organization. Protecting personal information is crucial, and Securesense makes this task easy and efficient. With Securesense, you can scan both documents and databases to see exactly where your sensitive data is stored and ensure it's protected from a compliance point of view. Let's walk through the key features of Securesense and show you how it can enhance your data security strategy. After logging in, users land on the dashboard page, which displays various metrics like total active scans, scheduled scans, databases being monitored currently, and total scans with PII. This screen also shows the history of all completed scans, and you can download the scan reports directly from here. In the File Scan tab, we offer a feature called Document Redaction. If you need to share a document internally or with a client but want to hide sensitive information like financial details, names, contact numbers, and addresses, Securesense has you covered. Simply upload the file, and after processing the file, the new file will be displayed below in list. You can also see a preview of file with all PII data redacted. Let's scan a few more files and check the results. Next is custom scanning, where you can define your own custom patterns to discover with each scan. For example, you can search for organization-specific information like student ID or contract number. These custom patterns will appear in the scanning results alongside other detections. The Storage Scan tab supports various connectors like SQL Server, MySQL, MongoDB, Microsoft Azure, and more. Let's demonstrate how the SQL Server connector works. After selecting the SQL Server connector, enter the storage details such as server name, database name, and table name to connect to your database. Check the Detect All PII checkbox and click the Start Scan button to scan your database for all kinds of PII. You can also choose specific PII detectors like personal, financial, sensitive, medical, national, and security. The scan results will appear in the right side Scan History tab. To download the report, click the Download button. The HTML report will show all database details, including database name, table name, total rows scanned, objects with PII, severity count. Each severity level has a scoring mechanism based on the type of information identified during scanning. You can drill down further to see detailed information in the report, along with the location. In the Scheduled Scans tab, you can create a new schedule by entering a schedule name, schedule type, start date and time, and end date and time. Once saved, the scheduler will run automatically at the scheduled time. The Mitigations tab allows you to securely delete files from their source location after scanning. Additionally, you can use this feature to quarantine files before they are permanently deleted. If the device agent from which the file should be deleted is not running, it will wait until the agent comes back online to erase the file. In the Device Controller tab, you can see the list of devices connected using the agent installer. Now, returning to the dashboard, let's consider you have completed scanning your environment and received a request from one of the customer under the POPI or GDPR Compliance Act to delete all information related to a user who wants to opt out and is no longer associated with your company. Using the search option, you can directly find the user's details by name, email address, or other information, identify where their information is stored, and take further action. To view product information, click the info icon. From there, you can download the agent and install it on the machines you want to scan. Thank you for watching our demo. We hope Securesense will help you protect and manage your sensitive data effectively. For further information or inquiries, please visit our website or contact our sales team at sales@winjit.com.